Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can use the grid layout for your website projects and pages on Squarespace. So let us jump right into it. So head over to your account on Squarespace, and I'm already inside my pages editing tool. As you can see here, guys, it's just an example page anyway. So what you want to do basically to enable the grid view or layout is simply click into the section here on your page, for example that section, or into that one here with your left mouse, and after that you will see that menu popping up here in the top right corner of your section. And here, guys, simply click into edit section, and after that you'll be able to see your grid layout. For example, if you click on any element inside your section and move it, you will see that grid in the background so that you can move your element or item in alignment with these grid blocks here, for example, right? For orientation, let's say. So you may use these, and you can also customize that grid layout, guys, easily. Again, simply click into your section, and this time from that menu select edit section, and here under design select your grid layout. For example, you can adjust the row count or the gap. For example, choose an almost gapless grid layout like that one here, or that one with some wider gaps, or click into these three dots here and adjust the gap width and height, for example. It's totally up to you guys, so keep playing around with that, and that's basically it. That's how you use the grid layout view for your pages on Squarespace. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.